What does service sound like? Well, for us, it sounds like a group of people with hammers and crowbars and sawzalls continuing demolition on our Community Impact Center. Behind me are people giving their time and talent to make sure that service becomes a cornerstone in our community. But you may be wondering, what's next? You can continue to support this project through giving. Right now, every dollar you give is matched up to $35,000. And when we reach that $35,000 mark, we will be halfway through our project. We're so thankful that the journey continues through your dedicated support to this project. And we're excited that we're seeing a dream become a reality.